You have been doing laundry your entire adult life, dozens of times a year, thousands of times over a lifetime, and yet right now, sitting somewhere in your mind, there are questions about laundry that you have never had answered clearly, honestly, and completely. Pause. Today, we answer all of them. No marketing, no product recommendations, just the truth about the thing you do more consistently than almost any other household task. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, because the questions you have been quietly carrying about laundry deserve real answers. And today, finally, you are going to get them. The questions nobody asks out loud. Here is something interesting about laundry. It is one of the most universal human activities, crossing every culture, every income level, every household size. And yet it is also one of the activities most surrounded by quiet uncertainty. People do it the way they were shown to do it, by a parent or a partner, or a first attempt at independence, and from that day forward, the method becomes fixed. The temperature chosen becomes the default. The detergent amount becomes habit. The order of operations becomes routine. Question 1. Why do my towels smell musty after just one use? This is the most commonly asked laundry question, and the answer surprises almost everyone who hears it for the first time. The musty smell that develops in towels within hours of washing is not caused by insufficient cleaning. It is caused by fabric softener. Specifically, the waxy coating that fabric softener deposits on towel fibers with every wash cycle. Question 2. Why do my white clothes keep going gray? White clothing grays over time for one of two reasons. And identifying which one affects your laundry tells you exactly how to reverse it. Pause. The first reason is detergent residue buildup. As covered in our Cleaning Myths video, excess detergent that does not rinse fully from fabric leaves a gray-tinted residue that accumulates with every wash. Question 3. Is it okay to leave wet laundry in the machine overnight? The honest answer is no. And most people who do this regularly already suspect it from the smell that greets them when they open the machine door the next morning. A washing machine drum full of wet clothing at room temperature is one of the most hospitable environments for bacteria and mold growth that your home contains. Question 4. Does cold water actually clean clothes properly? Yes, completely and genuinely yes, with one important qualification. Modern detergents are specifically formulated to activate and perform at temperatures as low as 15 degrees. Cold water washing cleans lightly to moderately soiled everyday clothing as effectively as warm water washing, while preserving color integrity, preventing shrinkage, protecting elastic, and using significantly less energy. Question 5. How often should bedding actually be washed? Weekly, not monthly, not when it starts to smell, not when you remember. Weekly, because the accumulation of shed skin cells, body oils, sweat, and dust mite population in bedding over 7 days of nightly use reaches levels that affect both hygiene and sleep quality measurably. The clean answer laundry is not complicated, but it has been made confusing by decades of marketing, conflicting advice, and habits inherited without explanation. Stop using fabric softener on towels. Wash whites only with whites at the right temperature. Transfer laundry within an hour of the cycle finishing. Use cold water for everyday clothes and hot for hygiene-critical items. Wash bedding every single week without exception. 5 answers to the questions that have been quietly affecting your laundry results for years. Pause. The confusion ends today, and tomorrow's wash starts with everything you needed to know. If this finally answered something you have been wondering about for years, hit the like button right now. It helps this channel reach more people with the honest answers they deserve. Subscribe and turn on the bell, so laundry knowledge like this always finds you first. Share it with someone whose towels smell and whose whites have been graying and who deserves to know why. See you in the next one.